Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding limits with tables is actually super fast if you know the trick. Let's solve this problem together and get the right answer quickly. Plug x equals 2 into the expression. This gives g of 4 divided by 6 plus f of 2. From the table, both values are 0, resulting in 0 over 0. Since we have an indeterminate form, we apply L'Hopital's rule by taking derivatives. The top becomes g prime of x squared times 2x, and the bottom is 3 plus f prime. Substitute x equals 2 again, we get g prime of 4 times 4 divided by 3 plus f prime of 2, simplifying to 20. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush and trust the given table values.